Once upon a time, the lion, king of the jungle, decided to host a sports festival in the animal kingdom. All animals were to fully participate. The tiger against the tiger, the giraffe against the giraffe, the rhinos against the rhinos, and so on. The festival was all going exciting until the bird asked to compete with the fish, and they both raced in their different atmosphere. The fish in the sea and the bird in the air. The bird flew faster than the fish could swim, so he decided to take a pause some meters before the finish point, just to prove a point to the other animals that he was capable. The fish saw what the bird did and decided to add skill to his swimming. The fish swam underwater where no eyes could see him. There he became faster. The bird got so excited thinking that the fish had drowned. At the same time, he got distracted by looking for the fish. While he did that, the fish arrived to the finish line, so the bird lost the race. Out of jealousy, the bird asked the king to summon every animal and pleaded that the race between him and the fish be repeated. But this time, he wants to race in the sea and the fish on the air. The animals told him that that won't be possible, but the bird disagreed. So, the animals agreed and fixed a date for the race. One night, while every animal were asleep, the bird decided to practice in the sea. Unfortunately for him, he didn't get half of the journey before he drowned. In the morning, all the animals came to see was the bird's dead body floating on water. That was how Mr. Bird lost his life, trying to prove a point. Listen. In this life, don't ever try to be or compete in where God has not placed you. You have been given your atmosphere. All you need is to add skill like the fish did. Do not try to prove a point to people by taking another man's ground. If you are meant to live in water, swim happily. If you are meant to live on air, fly happily. If you're meant to live on land, walk happily. If you don't appreciate your atmosphere, you only end up like the bird. Make it a point of duty to appreciate where God has placed you and be focused on developing yourself in that field and watch yourself become exceptionally great. Stop trying to prove a point no one cares about it. Keep building.